Are you tired of living paycheck to paycheck? Do you dream of financial freedom? Investing is the key. It's not just for the wealthy, it's for anyone ready to build a secure future. Investing might seem intimidating, but it doesn't have to be. With the right knowledge, anyone can become a successful investor. This guide will give you the tools to start your investment journey today. No more excuses. Why is investing so important? Simply put, it helps your money grow faster than it would in a savings account. Inflation erodes the value of money over time. Investing helps you outpace inflation and build real wealth. Think of it like planting a seed. The sooner you plant, the more time it has to grow into a strong tree. The same principle applies to investing. The earlier you start, the more time your money has to compound and grow. Don't worry, you don't need to be a financial expert to invest. Start with simple strategies. One option is a low-cost index fund that tracks a broad market, like the S&P 500. Another approach is dollar-cost averaging. This means investing a fixed amount of money at regular intervals, regardless of market fluctuations. This strategy reduces the impact of market volatility and helps you buy more shares when prices are low. You've heard the saying, right? Diversification is crucial in investing. It means spreading your money across different asset classes like stocks, bonds, and real estate. Why is this important? If one investment performs poorly, the others can cushion the blow. Diversification reduces risk and protects your portfolio from major losses. Section 5. Index funds. Easy and effective investing. Index funds are a great option for beginners. They are like baskets of stocks that track a specific market index, such as the S&P 500 or the Nasdaq 100. They offer instant diversification and are very low cost. When you invest in an index fund, you're essentially buying a small piece of hundreds of companies. This spreads your risk and gives you exposure to a wide range of industries and sectors. Section 6. The power of time, long-term investments. Investing is a marathon, not a sprint. It's about patience and discipline. Don't get caught up in short-term market fluctuations. Focus on the long term. The stock market goes up and down, but over the long term, it has always trended upwards. By staying invested and riding out the dips, you give your investments time to grow and compound. Section 7. What are your investment strategies? Now it's your turn. What investment strategies have worked for you? Share your tips and experiences in the comments below. Let's learn from each other. Sharing your knowledge can help others on their investment journey. Remember, we're all in this together. Let's build a community of empowered investors. Section 8. Stay connected for more investing tips. Don't miss out on valuable insights and strategies to boost your financial well-being. Follow me for more tips on investing, personal finance, and achieving financial freedom. Together, let's take control of our finances and build a brighter future. Remember, knowledge is power, and the time to invest is now.